story to be told. The party that added the word secular, which is that party, the Congress party, they added the word secular to our constitution in 1976. Now Congress finds itself stuck in its own trap, the secular trap. That Congress always says it stands for secularism, equal treatment for all religions, etc., etc. But Congress is often accused of appeasement, and not without reason, viewers. Many believe that party only cares about vote banks, especially Muslim votes. Top Muslim cleric Maulana Arshad Madni from the Jamiat Ulema Hind has come out strongly against Congress. He says the party has betrayed the constitution by playing politics of appeasement. He even said Congress's soft stand on hate politics has hurt the country badly. This is not just one voice, viewers, like I said, from Congress's own allies. Like Mr. Vijayan said that Congress is a communal party, no longer secular. They have said that Congress is not secular anymore. And now comes this big statement from Madni. Who can forget what Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy had said? That Congress means Muslims and Muslims mean Congress. This one line shows how the party itself sees things, as if Congress belongs to one community. This is the same party, viewers, that changed the constitution to add the word secular, but look at their past. They reversed the Supreme Court order in the Shah Bano case to please some Muslim leaders. They also opened the locks of the Babri Masjid in 1986. Action, reaction, what I call monkey balancing, viewers. Now when even their old supporters like Maulana Madni, they are turning away and saying Congress has failed, it just tells you that the Congress stands exposed. Their old stunts are not working anymore. Neither the Muslim vote bank nor their allies are buying their secular claim. This is the secular trap Congress is caught in. This is what I was talking about. So they talk about saving the constitution, but their actions show they care more about votes than real secularism. Let's open this up. किशोर तिवारी जी, सेक्युलरिज्म पे भी बहुत डिबेट्स किए हमने. कांग्रेस पार्टी ने ओरिजिनल प्रियम्बल बदल दिया था. आप एज अ पॉलिटिकल एनालिस्ट, सर, राजनीतिक विश्लेषक की तरह मुझे बताइए कि ओवैसी जी कह रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस सेक्युलर नहीं है. आपके अपने अलायंस पार्टनर जो है विजयन, पिनराई विजयन, केरला के चीफ मिनिस्टर, वो कह रहे हैं सेक्युलर नहीं है. अब अरशद मदनी ने भी कह दिया है. एक समय पे तो बहुत बड़े सपोर्टर थे कांग्रेस के. क्या हो गया सर कांग्रेस को? किशोर तिवारी जी, आपने तो बहुत करीब से देखा है.
नहीं, देखिए, मैं अभी बता रहा हूं, कांग्रेस को अपीसमेंट की कीमत चुकानी पड़ी. आज बीजेपी जो मुस्लिम वोट बैंक को इग्नोर करके हिंदू वोट बैंक पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट हो गया है, तो मदनी जी का कहना बहुत सारा बराबर भी है कि आप सेकुलर फैब्रिक्स में रहना चाहते हो और आप अपीसमेंट की पॉलिटिक्स करते हो, तो उसके वजह से आप इधर के भी नहीं रहते, उधर के भी नहीं रहते. अब ऐसा हो चुका है, बीजेपी भी वही कर रही है कि बीजेपी अभी हिंदू वोट बैंक के वजह से.
ठीक है किशोर तिवारी जी, अब आपने जो ये जवाब दिया, अभी तक आपको मैंने बोला था पॉलिटिकल एनालिस्ट के हिसाब से बोलिए. अब आप थोड़ी देर सोचिए कि आप शिवसेना उद्धव फैक्शन में थे. वो पार्टी जो कहती है कि हमने बाबरी मस्जिद तोड़ दी, उसके साथ अगर कांग्रेस अलायंस करती है तो कांग्रेस सेक्युलर है, नहीं है?
देखिए, ये देश में कांग्रेस ने 50 साल राज किया है. कांग्रेस की कुछ गलतियां थी, उस वजह से ये सब कुछ हुआ, लेकिन अभी वो सत्ता में नहीं है. तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि जो गलतियां कांग्रेस ने की, वही गलतियां बीजेपी करने को जा रही है.
वो गलतियां जो कांग्रेस ने की, वो पहले कांग्रेस वो गलती मान तो ले. आप देखिए, निखिल जैन से भी मैं पूछूंगा. निखिल, इज कांग्रेस एनी लेस सेक्युलर देन व्हाट इट वाज अ फ्यू इयर्स अगो?
Absolutely not, Pranay.
देखा किशोर जी?
You keep on raising this objection. No, hold on. You keep on raising this objection that the Congress party added the word secular in the Constitution of India. First of all, a catena of Supreme Court judgments have upheld it that the word secular, the
I am
value
not
of
challenging.
secularism.
I am not challenging that, Nikhil. I am stating facts. Why are you so worked up when I state facts?
No, I'm not getting worked up. I just
Then-
don't understand what is your problem with the Constitution of India.
There is no problem.
What is your problem
My
with
problem is
secularism?
that
What
the
is-
original preamble did not have the word secular. You add the word secular and then follow nothing that is secular. Then you resort to naked appeasement politics.
The Constitution is a living document. It is meant to be amended so long as the basic structure and the core spirit of the Constitution is not interfered
Okay,
with.
say, how would
And
you
that is
say,
what-
no, 1 minute, Nikhil, how would you say that in Hindi? If you were to say that in Hindi, that constitution is a living document and it can always be amended, उसको हिंदी में कैसे बोलेंगे?
तो ऐसे बोलेंगे कि भारत का संविधान एक जीता जागता दस्तावेज है और उसको हमेशा बदला जा सकता है.
बदला जा
जब
सकता है. You
तक-
know what Rahul
जब
Gandhi,
तक-
no,
no,
1
no,
minute,
no, no, no.
you know 1 minute, now, you know what Rahul Gandhi did? Rahul Gandhi ran one campaign to say BJP संविधान बदल देगी. मोदी संविधान बदल देंगे. Which is why I asked you to say that in Hindi. ताला रसादी, कांग्रेस पार्टी सेक्युलर है, कम्युनल है, क्या है?
ये कांग्रेस पार्टी सेक्युलर है कि कम्युनल है, ये तो राहुल गांधी और कांग्रेस पार्टी बताएगी.
अरे आपको 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 भी तो लगता है. अच्छा, बीजेपी क्या है, सेक्युलर है, कम्युनल है?
मैं बता तो रहा हूं कि आई कंप्लीटली अग्री विद व्हाट मौलाना अरशद मदनी हैज सेड. You don't defeat communalism with by appeasing it. You know, Congress watered the poison for 77 years. They appeased, they played this soft Hindutva kind of thing, and now the country is forced to drink it. History says if you ignore hate, the hate takes over you. That hate takes the power. Now the hate is in the power. Now you just said that appeasement, naked appeasement. Why don't you see the naked appeasement of BJP that it is doing to the communal people in the country? It is openly appeasing a particular section of the community, of the society that engages into hatred, that engages into communalism, and that's visible to the naked eye. But Pranesh here won't see that appeasement.
No, let's have that discussion, sir. आप बताइए. How, if you are saying, अभी तो आपने बोल दिया, Congress watered the poison, resorted to appeasement, communal है. Communal आप बोल नहीं रहे, आप बस बोल रहे हैं, I endorse what Mr. Madani said. आप ये बताइए कि बीजेपी को आप जो कह रहे हैं कि यू नो बीजेपी डज नॉट डू जस्टिस टू अ सेक्शन ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन, एक दो एग्जांपल देखिए, आज आप एक्सपोज कर दीजिए बीजेपी को.
कहां से शुरू करें? आप बताइए. प्रधानमंत्री जी कहते हैं कि कपड़े से पहचानो कौन क्या है. उसके बाद मुख्यमंत्री इनके क्या बोलते हैं?
कपड़े से पहचानो तो उन्होंने नहीं कपड़े, एक मिनट, कपड़े से पहचानो उसमें आपने वो पर्सनली क्यों ले लिया? एक समुदाय विशेष पे क्यों जोड़ दिया उसको? कपड़े से पहचानो
बोला था, बता दीजिए. शमशान कब्रिस्तान की बात किस पे बोला था? कब्रिस्तान में कौन?
तो शमशान भी तो बोला था, शमशान भी बोला था.
अभी आप
नहीं, ये एक मिनट, कपड़ों से पहचानो बताइए ना. कपड़ों से पहचानो को भी आपने जोड़ दिया. कैसे जोड़ दिया एक कम्युनिटी से?
शमशान और कब्रिस्तान में चला जाएगा आपका.
नहीं, कपड़ों को, एक मिनट, कपड़ों को जो रुकिए काला रसादी, यू सी डोंट गेट, आई एम नॉट लेटिंग यू गेट अवे लाइक दिस. 1 मिनट. कपड़ों से पहचानो, इसको आपने, आप बोल सकते हो ऑब्जेक्शनेबल है, यू नो, मैच्योर्ड रिस्पॉन्सिबल कमेंट्री नहीं है. द प्राइम मिनिस्टर शुड बी स्पीकिंग यू नो in a manner in which you know people's sentiments are not hurt. But to say कपड़ों से पहचानो is directed against one community. कपड़े तो सब कम्युनिटी पहनते हैं. अब आप एक बताइए, टेरर हैज नो रिलीजन, और कपड़ों को आप एक रिलीजन से कैसे लिंक कर रहे हैं? दूसरा एग्जांपल दीजिए. ये नहीं चला, आप दूसरा बोलिए जल्दी से.
कब्रिस्तान में कौन दफन होता है? पार्लियामेंटेरियन किसको करेंगे? पार्लियामेंट में गाली दे थे बीजेपी ने. क्या एक्शन लिया? क्या कार्रवाई?
गुरु प्रकाश,
यूनियन
कांग्रेस इज कम्युनल बट बीजेपी इज यू नो नॉट सेक्युलर आइदर. आप यू आर इक्वली कम्युनल. आप कब्रिस्तान की बात करते हैं.
नहीं प्रणेश, मैं सुन रहा था, बेचारे किशोर तिवारी जी की स्थिति आपने बड़ी असहज कर दी, उनको अनकंफर्टेबल कर दिया. वो कह रहे थे कांग्रेस पार्टी की गलती थी. देखिए, गलती और रणनीति ये दो अलग अलग शब्द होते हैं. अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी के प्रधानमंत्री खुले मंच पे सार्वजनिक रूप से ऐसा कहते हैं कि इस देश के संसाधनों पे पहला हक देश के मुसलमानों का है, ये गलती है कि रणनीति है? आपके प्रधानमंत्री 2007 में नेशनल कमीशन ऑफ माइनॉरिटीज के कार्यक्रम में दिल्ली के विज्ञान भवन में ऐसा कहने का साहस दिखाते हैं that the first claim over the national resources is of minorities and especially Muslim minorities. What is this? This is a clear-cut textbook case of minority appeasement. पुष्टिकरण के राजनीति में इस प्रकार आप अंधे हो जाएंगे कि संतुष्टिकरण करना भूल जाएंगे. 33% ज्यादा मुस्लिम महिलाएं आज स्कूल जा रही हैं, शिक्षित हो रही हैं। हमें आप आरोप लगाते हम कम्युनल हैं। बीजेपी के संस्थापक सदस्य सिकंदर बख्श साहब, जम्मू कश्मीर के गुलाम अली खटाना, पहले मुसलमान ऐसे बनते हैं, पसमंदा मुसलमान जो राज्यसभा जाते हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश के दानिश, तमाम ऐसे उदाहरण हैं जिनको आपने दबा के रखा था। मुसलमानों में भी गरीब मुसलमान नहीं आना चाहिए। कौन सा मुसलमान आना चाहिए? हमारा
first right on resources you are saying is problematic. Let's put that to ताला रशादी. ताला रशादी, ये जो कमेंट गुरु प्रकाश कह रहे हैं, ये जो स्टेटमेंट है, ये क्या है? कम्युनल है, सेक्युलर है, या ठीक है? ये इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
अरे गुरु प्रसाद बैठ के झूठ बोल रहे हैं, झूठ बोलना इनकी आदत ही। कह रहे पहले पसमानदा एमपी भेजा इन्होंने, अली अनवर।
Forget that. I am asking you about something else. When the former Prime Minister said that the first right of resources belongs to one specific community, ये बोलिए।
Definition of minorities in the Constitution of India. Do you know that? What is the definition of minorities? Minorities only includes the Muslims. Is Mr. Amit Shah, Law Minister of Country, is a minority or not? किरण रिजिजू minority है कि नहीं है?
That's precisely my point. Minority does not mean Muslim. तो आप लोग क्यों बार बार बोलते हैं इस्लामोफोबिया है, मुसलमानों के साथ ये जाती हो रही है, ऐसे क्यों बना देते हैं? माइनॉरिटी इज इक्वल टू मुस्लिम्स, ये किसने बनाया? कांग्रेस ने बनाया ना, कांग्रेस ने बनाया। 1 minute. When Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi was eased out of the portfolio he had, people said, how is a Muslim minister removed? वो बोलते हैं किरण रिजिजू को, वो भी माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी है ना, उनको नहीं मानते आप। You have to have a Muslim to say, now the government is doing great work for minorities. Tala Rashadi, Nikhil, what is this mindset? Was this a mistake, or like Guru Prakash is saying, part of a calculated plan?
Pranesh, the present Prime Minister Narendra Modi misattributes, misrepresents and misquotes statements of former Prime Ministers and other politicians, and you just run with it. Had you done any basic research, you would have known that that was a misrepresentation. There was a clarification issued by the Prime Minister's office in 2006 itself, very clearly pointing out
Tushar,
that Prime Minister...
Nikhil has a fact check for all of us.
This has been done enough. I mean, they have tried very hard to say that Dr. Singh did not mean that minorities have the first right on resources. I mean, we have already the Times of India report, Pranesh. I don't think it's any point getting in there. But I'll tell you the larger point here. Even the Muslims now realize that the Congress has been playing with their long-term interests in the garb of fear-mongering. The Muslims of this country are now looking at alternate options. They might want to align with the regional parties. I'm not saying they want to go with the BJP, but they are now going with the regional parties over the Congress because they have realized that the Congress has only used them for appeasement without doing anything for them or their interest or their socio-economic elevation, nothing at all. And they're done being pawns for the Congress's appeasement game. They want to be represented by far more credible regional parties. I'm not even saying the BJP. I'm saying regional parties which go against the BJP. But they're done with the Congress.
Okay.
It's that simple. And that is why the Congress today is now going to the allied partners in the regions saying, we want to be with you because they want to ensure that at least the minority vote is secure. Even their regional alliances understand this. Look at how the RJD was giving them very few seats. Look at what Samajwadi will do to them. Look at what TMC is doing to them. DMK, NCP, Maharashtra.
What do you make of what Cleric Madani has said? Is Congress secular, communal? How do you see this?
Pranesh ji, I think you are giving a lot of credence to a party that is facing an existential crisis, a party which has lost its political relevance, and people from all walks of life have rejected the Congress outrightly. And there's no need to revisit history. Even if we look at the present, we can see that even the entire country is aware of the fact that BJP is in power today just because of Congress, because the Congress has allowed it. They have given them a walkover. We have, you'll ask for proof, and we have a recent proof in Ambernath Municipal Council in Thane in Maharashtra, where a post-poll alliance took place between Congress and BJP.
Right, it was short-lived, it was called off. You're right, it happened, but it was called off. But that's not my point. You're saying, Congress is finished, it is not even, is fighting for relevance, existential crisis, all of that. Anmolji, when did the Aam Aadmi Party realize that the Congress is finished? You know, till a few years ago, a few months ago, you were sharing the same stage. You know, all hand in hand wanting to defeat Narendra Modi. AAP was part of the India Alliance. Congress was a, you know, was a flag bearer. ये कब realize हुआ? मुझे बता दीजिए ना. In the last 6 months, we've realized that BJP and Congress have an understanding. Because over the last few days, this has been coming up.
Praneshji, people of this country have realized that the Bharatiya Janata Party, which once used to shout on the top of their voice, used to abuse Congress and its top leaders Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi, saying that there's an open and shut case, National Herald, and still, even after 10 years, even after 11 years, trial has not started. They have not been put behind bars. Point number one. Point number two, this post-poll alliance is itself a proof that
This
they are hand
alliance,
in gloves.
this alliance, this Ambarnath alliance, 1 minute, Anmolji, if this Ambarnath alliance is proof, then why was the Aam Aadmi Party sharing stage with, why was Mr. Kejriwal on the same stage as Rahul Gandhi? Yes, Tushar.
2024 के लोकसभा इलेक्शंस में दिल्ली में 7 सीटों पर आम आदमी पार्टी और कांग्रेस की अलायंस, 2013 में आम आदमी पार्टी का डेब्यू होता है, 50 दिन की सरकार किसके साथ चलाई? कांग्रेस सरकार के साथ.
वो इनको अभी रियलाइज हुआ. तुषार, that was then. This realization has dawned in the last few weeks. 2-3 हफ्ते में अभी इनको पता चला है. मैंने पूछा, अनमोल जी has no answers. I understand his compulsion, but Imran, let me give you the last word. How do you see this, secular trap that the Congress now finds itself in?
So, Pranesh, the question here is that do I call the party that brought the 42nd Amendment, which you talked about in 1946, adding the word secular to our preamble, versus a party that fights elections or hate mongering, who talks only about infiltrators, calling a certain section and area of Muslim population a mini Pakistan? We talk about love jihad. I mean, the terminology, the way they talk, the way they try. And when we talk about the post, I'm going back on that. If you say that Congress deleting this post was incorrect, then what about the post that I talked about, the AI generated post that the BJP deleted? Then let's not be a hypocritical, approach saying
it
that
can't be your defense, because Rahul Gandhi says Mohabbat ki Rajniti. It was to say that Congress is different from the BJP. Then how are you saying that, because the BJP did this, Congress should be allowed to do this? The people can see through this. Then you say that, look, we are just as bad as the BJP. Okay, we've run out of time, gentlemen. I'm sorry, we could have gone on and on. We will in the next few days. But thanks for watching the News Hour with Navita Kumar, coming up on the other side.